Hey guys, 818 Retrofits here. Today we're going to show you our DIY installation kit for the 2015 to 2019 Chevy Silverado HD. This one is going to utilize our 818 Retrofits P1 bi-LED projector, and it is completely plug and play and bolt on for this truck. I'm going to show you what the kit is included. When you get it, you're going to get it in our box here. You're going to open it up, and inside you're going to have two projectors, and they're going to be pre-wired for you with the brackets already pre-installed. Inside the baggie, you can see the 818 Retrofits projector. We have the bracket already pre-installed for you, and everything has been pre-wired as well. So we're going to go ahead and clean up our workstation and show you the full installation process. All right, so when you remove the headlight off the vehicle, you have two dust caps. You have your low beam and your high beam. You're going to go ahead and remove these, and you're going to disconnect the bulbs. So we have the factory H11 bulb there, and the factory 9005 high beam down here. So go ahead and remove everything. And we see on the projector, you have 4 screws. Now, we've already removed this on camera, but you're going to use a Torx screwdriver, and you're going to have 4 screws. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Once you remove those, the projector will come out as one big piece. All right, we've now just removed all 4 screws. The projector is actually going to slide right out. One piece. Very easy to do. And if you look at our projector, as you can see, the mounting bracket is already attached to it. It's going to insert the same way. It's going to tilt it down at the bottom, and it's going to line up perfectly with the 4 holes again. The screws that you just removed, you're going to go ahead and put those back in their position, and it's going to be nice and tight. Tighten it up. All right, as you can see, we put the 4 screws back in there. Projector is nice and tight, nicely mounted. And the great thing about our DIY kit is that you don't have to aim it. It's already pre-aimed for you. There's no horizontal or vertical adjustment necessary other than with the factory, but everything should be back in its exact location. You're going to take your low beam plug and this single one low beam. I'm going to go and plug that in. And you're going to make sure that the red wire is lined up with the red wire there. You're going to press that in all the way until it clicks. Maybe a little difficult. There you go. And now this is our high beam splitter. You're going to take this entire wiring harness, you're going to drop it down, grab it from here. And now you're going to take your high beam splitter, the factory plug, it's going to plug right into there. And you're going to take your halogen bulb. This is the 9005 for the low beam. You can put an LED bulb or whatever you want in there. This is going to be your factory high beam. The halogen for video purposes. Take this other end, plug it right in. Once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and tuck away all your wires. Now, this is a 50-watt LED projector, so there's no CAN bus adapter needed for this vehicle, which is fantastic. There's less things to go wrong. The dust cap is going to go right back on. Again, these are side-specific, so this one actually goes here. And this one goes here. So if you haven't noticed yet, these line up here with this tab. Clicks in, locks into place. And there you have it. That is the 818 Retrofits P1 bi-LED projector conversion for the 15 to 19 Chevy Silverado, and everything looks just like factory. So if you're interested in a kit just like this for your Silverado DIY kit, go ahead and shoot us an email, sales@818retrofits.com. Give us a call, 818-446-9427, or find us on social media under 818 Retrofits. Thanks, guys.